How to enable or disable chat notifications on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves staying connected on the REDnote but also values control over your notification, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn your chat notification on or off so you can manage it when you want to be alerted about new messages. Let's get started. First, open up the REDnote app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all of your settings. And once you're in the app, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner and it will take you to your profile page. And once you are on your profile page, tap on the gear icon right beside your profile button to access your settings. Once you open up your account settings, you'll have to look for notification settings, which is here on the third options. And this is where you can customize all of your notification preferences, including the chat notification. Once you're in the notification settings, you'll see a section for chat notifications, and right below that, you'll just have to tap on chat. Now, as you can see, here are three options you can customize separately. So the first one is private chat. You can turn on or off notifications for this. For that, you first have to allow notification for the whole app, and you can toggle this off. And if you don't want any notification from strangers, you can toggle this one off. And if you don't want notifications from group chats, you can toggle this off. So this is completely up to you, and that's how you easily change your chat notification settings on the REDnote app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.